Hey guys, it's Doc, and today I'm going to talk about fixing big holes in your lawn. Not just bare patches, which you sort of use the same process, but today I'm going to go across the street and I'm going to fix two big holes that were left by removing natural areas and trees. So hold on one sec. Hey guys, I'm going to keep this real short today. I'm going to do a one-handed video shoot, so excuse it if it's all messed up. Let me just run down this real quick what I'm doing. The world's worst Bermuda lawn had a natural area out front, and they just dug up trees and left big holes. So I got to fill them and get Bermuda to fill up inside of there. Let me show you how I do it. Number one. Hey guys, before I start real quick, I want to pop in here and let you know that I'm getting ready to do an aerating video, and I'm going to put that on film. So click that subscribe button and turn on your bell. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss that aerating video. That'll be coming up on Tuesday. They're going to be doing my lawn, so I'll post that video up. The next thing, make sure you understand that all the products, a lot of people keep saying, where do I get the super juice? Where do I get the PGF fertilizer? I always put, if you go to the website, there's a link in the description below, and there's a product list page. If you click on the product list page, this is what it looks like. And there's a whole list of links to all the products there. So if you can't find something, you can go to that product link page and find it there. So let me show you what I'm using today to fix these holes. You need to get a good quality potting soil. You can get a Miracle-Gro. I'm using Stay Green, but this is potting soil, and the potting soil won't have a bunch of wood chips in it. And it'll have fertilizer inside of it usually. So that's number one. The next thing I'm using, go over to my inventory of garden supplies over here. Play sand. So I've got play sand. That's the next thing I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fill the hole with about 50% potting soil and sand, because it's going to take a lot of material. So I'm going to fill that up with sand and potting soil. And then I'm going to put a layer of potting soil on top, and then I'm going to steal some runners and put runners inside of that. So let's get going. All right, so basically all I need, I've already filled the holes with sand, a mix of sand and potting soil, like 50-50 or 70-30 mix. And I've got some potting soil in here, screwdriver. Unfortunately, it's been nicely edged, so I don't have any runners available. So there's a little area over here around this pole. Hopefully there's no fire ants. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to steal. I'm just going to pull some of these runners, hopefully get some roots out of here, like this right here. I'm going to go in. I want to try and get some of the little bit of roots in there. Get some stuff with roots. Okay, so you can see I've already filled in these holes. They were big holes, and I filled them in with, again, a mix of sand and potting soil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some potting soil and just put a layer of potting soil on top, probably about an inch or two deep. Just like this, and that'll encourage this Bermuda to go into here. Then what I can do is just take these runners and just stick these down in. Probably don't even need, since it's sand, I don't even need to really. Just like this. Again, I'm just going to dig a little hole, put this down in here, cover that up lightly, just like that. Now what that'll do is, this Bermuda will want to run into here. The ones I put in the middle will want to run outward, and I just keep doing that. I fill this area up with my runners, or stolons as they're called, technically, and just fill that whole area up. Put a little water on it, and it'll be good as new in a while. All right, so let me show you the difference. Let's do a little experiment, and I'll come back in a couple of weeks and show you. But here it is. This is the one that I have put runners and stolons. I've grabbed runners and stuck them in there. And then this one, I'm just going to leave blank. So, anyways, that's one way you fix it. So, my work here is done. If you didn't know, I'm prepping my lawn for aeration. So I'm cutting down my lawn pretty short today. And click that subscribe button so you don't mix my, I'll put it on video for you. I'm having a company come out and do it. But anyways, that's how you fix those big holes, is fill up the base of it with sand and potting soil mixed, come back with potting soil on top, grab some runners. It's the same thing we did over on Barb's lawn. As an example, I could do the same thing. See over here, I have a bare spot. See this bare spot right here? I can do the same thing with that. Come in, chop that clay soil up a little bit, throw a bunch of potting soil on top, and those runners will just leach into the area. Plus I can stick more runners inside of it. Here's ideally what you want to do if you have a lot of this, which is what we did over on Barb's lawn over here. Don't edge your grass, and then see these stolons or these runners. This is what we use right here, and we go all the way into this, and we go deep down in here, and we get fire ants. And we want to get try and get a little bit of root right there. That's kind of what I'm trying for, and that's what I want to put in that bare area. Whew. So anyways, guys, big holes, fill them up, take up the volume, potting soil on top. If you just have bare patches, potting soil, stick the runners in, be all set. Done.